Wildman Rider. Hello guys and gals, Wildman Rider here, and today I'm going to unbox this jump starter J302 by Auxito. First of all, I want to say thank you, Auxito, for sending me this wonderful jump starter. Really love these things. I know this isn't a bike, but I love this company. I love the items they have. They've sent me a few different things and they're all worked out great. So I decided I'll actually make a video on this one. And so here it is. We're going to go ahead and open it up here. I don't have anything to jump off with it, but hey, at least I can open it up and show you what it looks like. It's like a really cool little jump box here. Plastic off of there. Oh, wow. That's really cool. It also comes in this nice little carrying bag. That's really awesome. Comes with a manual. And this looks to be the charging cable. And here's the device itself. And this little cool Velcro strap. And this is where you plug in the little cable so you can jump off a battery with it. Looks like it plugs into the device there. Get this part open here. But what's really unique with this one has these little fold-out lights on it, as well as being a jump box. Here we go. Here's our, looks like this is where we charge it. And it looks like this port where you can charge other devices off of the battery in here, which is really awesome. And of course, this is where our jumper cable tipped here. So if we wanted to plug those in, you would just stick them in there, plug them in. You don't really need to do that right now, but that's how that works. All right, just want to clarify one thing here. This USB-C port here is to charge the device with. This USB-A port right here that has the cable that comes with it, that goes to USB-C, that is for charging other devices. Anyway, I just wanted to clarify that. This is pretty cool. See the little lights fold out. Just like that. And I guess you could hang it, which I think is where the strap comes in. It straps to here. So if you were working on your car and needed a light, you could just hang it up. And then you turn this light on. Man, that is really bright too. Wow, this is some really bright lights. And this already comes with looks like a 3/4 of a charge already on it, which is really nice. And one other thing I wanted to demonstrate to you is this also has different lighting modes. So I'll turn the lights back on. That's the normal lighting mode. It'll give you a little more of a warm light. If you press it one more time, you press it again, it gets even brighter. Really bright white light. Then if you press it again, it flashes. And then it's back to the normal mode. See, so that's all the modes. Yeah, those are some really bright lights. Very nice. Great job, Auxito. Awesome. Definitely be keeping this in my truck in case I ever need it. Or maybe I'll put it in my wife's truck. It'd be a better idea. I think I'll put it in hers just in case she ever needs it and needs a quick jump. Fantastic product. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video with others. And please check out the description below, and I'll put a link in my discount code to their website, as well as I'll also put a separate link if you'd rather buy on Amazon, because you can get it on there as well. So I'll put both links down there. And the choice is yours. Either way, it will support the channel, and I really appreciate that. So I can still keep you know, showing you fine products, just like this one or more bikes or whatever. And I'll see you in the next one.